Hello, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline store. In this short video, we're going to review some key points to consider when purchasing a folding frame clothesline. Folding frame clotheslines come in various styles, sizes and colours. The size of a folding frame is determined by its width, which is the left to right dimension. They also vary in depth. This is from the wall to you. A standard folding clothesline is the most common, however they do also come in compact and slim styles and configurations which are ideal for certain applications. And then there is also the double folding clothesline. The double folding clothesline is two clotheslines in one and typically more expensive than a single folding clothesline. They are designed and ideal for narrow spaces or walkways where space is a premium. Typically similar line space though to a single clothesline. They are often misapplied as they are never folded down or the split lines are taken advantage of. In this diagram we can see the three positions of a double folding clothesline. On the left we have the fully folded position, in the middle we have the inside line raised and the outer folded, and on the right we have the outside raised and the inner folded because each line moves independently of the other. Most wall mounted clotheslines can also be mounted on posts, making them a ground mount installation. This is dependent on the style of the clothesline and the brand. More information can be found on this on the product pages at theclotheslinestore.com.au. They do come in various widths and depths. Some brands can be ordered with a custom width. They can also be folded down when not being used, and they are also available in multiple colours. When purchasing a folding frame clothesline, it's important to consider the number of people in the family or the number of people going to use the clothesline. How often do you wash? And what size wash loads do you have? Then also take into account the budget you have for the product and also the intended use for the product, e.g. a rental property. Sometimes with rental properties, buying the lowest priced option is not always the best because if you spend a little bit more, you'll get a much longer lifetime out of the clothesline. Also, not all clotheslines come with fasteners. You may have to go to your local hardware shop to buy some fasteners, so just check the product pages on the Clothesline store when making your decision, and that'll advise if you get fasteners or not with your clothesline. In terms of mounting the clothesline, it's always recommended to have it 50 to 100 millimeters above the person's head who uses it most. Also, have a minimum of 300 millimeters in front of the clothesline, and this is so you can stand in front of it and comfortably hang the clothes on it. Also on the left and the right of the clothesline we recommend at least a 50 to 100 millimeter clearance. This will allow you to lift the clothesline up and down in a easy unobstructed manner. Also when determining the size of a clothesline, the width is actually the left to right dimension and the depth is the wall to you. If you require an installation of your new clothesline, the Clothesline store offers a professional installation and removal service. With the removal service, we actually take the clothesline away and dispose of it for you prior to installing your new clothesline. You can find out more on this service and the areas we cover by visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au/installation. So thank you for visiting the Clothesline store. I hope we have a solution for you. If you require any other information on our products or services, please feel free to contact our team on the number below. Also, I recommend downloading our official Clothesline Buyer's Guide by clicking on one of the banners you see on this screen. My name's Jason, thanks for dropping by, and bye for now.